What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to show you another addition to my coin bank collection. Most of my coin banks are electric and mechanical. I love when they do something. So this one is pretty cool. This is Coca-Cola and this is supposed to be bowling. Let's see what it's all about. This thing was made in 1999, so this thing is almost 20 years and it actually says collectible. That makes it even cooler. Anyways, let's open it up, see what's inside. I love McDonald's and Coca-Cola merchandise and all those fast food stuff. I really love the condition of this thing. It feels really hefty. Feels like it's made from metal. Yup, it's not just plastic. And check this out, there's a little cover. Wow, this thing is untouched. It's brand new. I can't believe it. This is almost 20 years, 19 years old, and it is in excellent condition. I'm so glad I got this thing. And it came with a perfect box too. Okay, it's going to take 4 AA batteries, I guess. And then we're gonna stick it like this. How do you turn it on? I have no idea. I should read the description. Oh, right here, a reset button. Cool. Oh wow, do you see it? All the bowling, what do you call it? Kegli, bowling pins, there you go. In Russian they call them kegli. Let's see if it actually works. I hope it does. It looks like brand new, it should work. So you put it like that and I guess you hit the coin. What? No way! It's celebrating, I guess I hit them all. I can't believe it's singing for me. That was really cool. I love how it's like, sounds really vintage. Ooh, looks like I set it off with my hand by mistake. Let's start to do another quarter. What? I didn't even hit it yet. The coin didn't even flew all the way. But let's try this again. Singing again for me. Very cool. What? Okay, that was a fail. Let's try this again. I'm gonna try to shoot to this side, see what happens. It's like I don't do nothing, it just does it anyway. Every single time. I guess you win every single time with the Coca-Cola bowling. I guess it's pretty awesome. There you go, very satisfying way to save coins, even though I missed. It still says that I got it. What? I didn't even hit it. It says that I missed it. As you can see, there's no skill involved. Pretty much every time you shoot it, it flies through, or you hit it, tap it right here, so it sets off the sensor somehow. You see it? It apparently I missed it because the coin didn't flew. So let's try to hit it from here. It's definitely not a skill coin bank. This is just a cool way to do it. Very satisfying because every time you hit it, it's apparently win. And then it's going to sing for you every single time. Let me give you a side view. So you don't want to hit it too hard, because if you hit it too hard, the coin might bounce back. You kind of want to do it light. So this one is 284th. I wonder how many of them have been made. And this is where all the coins going to pop out. Looks like does not hold too many coins. This is more like for fun, not really a giant coin bank saving thing. Yeah, so there's a sensor down here. That's how it works, you see it? Yep, but it's funny, if I put my hand down here, it means it's a miss every single time. Funny how it works. And this time it was good. What is he singing? Let me know in comments below. I cannot define. Boom! Strike every single time. I love this coin bank. You win every time. Boom, another strike. Am I good or what? That's definitely motivating to save money, because I want to keep playing. Oh, there you go. It missed. Let me try to hit it one more time to the side. See what happens. Yeah, okay, it does work. You really have to try to miss it. Yeah, you see I missed again. So the only way you get in a strike if you hit the middle one. I guess I was hitting middle one every time. Oh wow, this one didn't even set it off. Maybe you're supposed to just throw it like this. Nope, does not work like that. Definitely saving the coins, but if I throw it, it doesn't really set it off. It'd be cool if you throw it and it sets it off. So the only way to play this is just set it down and hit it. And then it works. Anyways. Well guys, I love this coin bag. The only thing I'm disappointed about, I was hoping there's a little bit more skill to it, but pretty much every time you shoot a coin into it, you're going to get a strike. I was hoping it works when you hit a pin and the only pin is going to go up. But again, this is just a coin bag, not really a game. And it's still a very satisfying way to save money. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.